So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love that stress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Okay? That part is tough. A lot has to do with mental fear, putting that song at a very high pedestal, because it is at a very high pedestal. Come on, it's Bruno Mars, and the way he just sings this part. Listen to it. I mean, I know you know the song, but for the viewers. So baby, let's just turn down the lights. Slight distortion. I don't know how he does that. And his accent, listen to as an accent, not just diction, but where he puts certain accent. Let me see if we can do it. You won't need it. That one, you won't need it anymore. Do not yell, okay? Because he's not doing that. Okay? Very good. I mean, come on. It's Bruno Mars, bro. Oh, take it all from me, for me now, girl. Something like that, I think. Versace. Girl. Where's the... Okay. Okay, let me try. No. So just... I'm so afraid of that part, okay? I still am, okay? I used to fail at that part so badly, like I would straight do things like that. And sometimes when you're learning a song, let's say it's way beyond your level, but your ego kind of like takes over. You're like, no, I can do it, and you try it, you fail. What happens is that it's like almost like you're defeated. You keep on getting defeated. Therefore, you start developing fear, anxiety, just to even sing that. Therefore, exercises can be good. Like even for me, if I just slow that part down, I don't know, let me see. Yeah, see, now it's getting easier, and then I will do that over and over until to the point I'm like, oh, it's nothing, okay? That's how you get better. That's how you train, okay? And I know that you are in that intermediate advanced level singer, and I know you also have good range. So yeah, but this tip, I'm gonna share it on my social media. Probably not gonna work for everybody. You need to be at a certain level to, you know, use these tips that I'm sharing. And this is Bruno Mars. I'm singing in the original key. I'm not lowering it down. Vowels and stuff, these are tricky stuff, okay? Like getting everything very centered, very balanced. It's hard, okay? And even, you know, making this video, just even doing it, you know, I have to be right as a teacher and stuff, but I don't mind failing, okay? And I think all voice teachers out there should be vulnerable, you know? I mean, don't edit and stuff. I mean, like if they do it, I mean, that's fine, but that's just not me. I like being transparent and stuff. So yeah, man, I'm just, you know, no, this is not gonna get edited or anything. I'm gonna keep it in one take. So yeah, what I noticed is that I'm struggling with that one part. For that one. I'm straining on that, okay? I'm not quite sure yet. For me. The vowel. That's that. I go, I tend to go there, okay? So that's something I have to definitely work on. The run, I sort of like got it. But yeah, I mean, singing the whole song in one take, that is completely a different battle. Very hard, very hard. But yeah, it's a very tough song, okay? So I want to keep this video under 5 minutes. So yeah, that's a little bit of Bruno Mars, okay? Everything is close. Let's just take our time tonight, okay? All right, take care.